Yeah, this is crypto weekly time frame. Now, if you can see now, this move up here started from down here, reach here. So, but crypto is not that. Crypto doesn't actually act like currency that you have to come down all the way here before going up. You understand? This is a different ball game. This is entirely different thing. Crypto, stock, currency, they all have their own characteristics. You understand? Stock can never come the whole down here after moving almost how many percent? How many percent? Stock can never come all the way down here before going up, but currency can do it. You understand?
Yeah.
So crypto, I don't sure before crypto can come all the way down here, there must be something that must have happened, and many people will lose their money. Understand? So that kind of thing. So crypto doesn't act like currency. You understand?
Yeah.
It's one thing about crypto. So this move started from here. This move started from here. After, because if you go down this guy, if you go, you see this guy here. This guy acted as a breaker block. This is the last guy that was broken. This is
Then
the
it came back
guy
down.
that was broken. Understand? Before this rally up. So after so many years, price came down and it was and reacted off this guy. So after price reacted off this guy, if you look closely, you see what price did. Price took out this structure here. Price grabbed liquidity from here and broke structure to the upside and came back for this guy. Did not actually touch it, but price make use of this what breaker block before what's going up. So general idea about crypto and other these things that they don't actually move. Their movement is not characterized by this leg. But it is just the same idea, but it's not as swift as the other currency pairs. Because if you look at it here, it also move like that, but it's not as swift as currency pair. You see all these moves. You see, ideally, it's supposed to be doing this, but you see,
But it just moves.
it will just pump. That is crypto for you. It doesn't behave like other currency. But
But
as
yeah.
now you took this, you bought crypto here. You know this is weekly time frame. Maybe inside this weekly time frame now, there might be a retracement that might even what take you out before this major move self will start. That kind of thing. So in buying crypto, we always wait for that kind deep retracement. But confirmation is always in the hand of God. Understand? So now, after price reacted from here, he gave us a break of structure and reacted from that guy that broke that structure. And since then, price has been rallying till he took all this all-time high. He took out this all-time high. So when he took out that all-time high, he started retracing. Cannot say that crypto is bullish now because before we say that crypto is bullish, you have to see some.
It has to break. It
Yes,
has to break the structure.
yes, you have to break the structure. Understand?
But you can't say it's bearish either.
You can say it is bearish at the main time because of what? All-time high has been taken and crypto has created all-time high, new all-time high. Now, if you go down based on data, when look at the all-time high before. This all-time high was created Monday, 12 April 2021. You get it. So when that
Yeah.
high was taken, What happened? What happened? Tell me now,
It
what
ret-
happened?
it
It
retraced down.
retraced down. So now, you know that in this business, we work by data. Now that this high has been taken again, so we are expecting some kind of retracement, but we don't
Retracements.
know how deep
Far it to go.
it is before it starts what? Going up. That's what I can tell you. But it can always retrace. Whenever an all-time high has been taken or an all-time low has been taken, you always
Mm,
expect what? A reaction to the opposite side. That
okay.
is just it. So now we are seeing that reaction to the downside. We are seeing that reaction to the downside. You understand? So this price now might possibly react here. This is the intra-week low. So now let's go down to daily time frame. You understand what I did here now?
Yeah, I get.
It's very simple. Look at the all-time high now. Okay, now look at the all-time high. Price have taken this all-time high. You understand? Look at when price took out this all-time high. Now, after price took out this all-time high, it started reacting. What
Yeah.
the reaction? It started coming down by making what? Series of lower highs and lower lows, lower highs,
Value.
lower lows. That is, if you look at it now, look at it now. Lower highs,
Yeah.
lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. So he made a lower low here. He's trying to make a lower high before it continued down. But I also told you that we don't know how low it will go. It might possibly be here. We don't know because this is crypto. I don't know actually what influences crypto that much. I know it's part of it is US economy and global economy, but I don't know, so I cannot lie about it. So I don't know how low it will go, but I'm sure that before we can actually say that crypto wants to start going up, it must first of all break this high. It must first of all break this high, this current high now.
Yeah.
Yes, it must first of all break that high. This current weekly high, you must first of all break it. If you take out this weekly high, then you might see some retracement before it continue what? Going up. So that is it. So let's go down to daily time frame and see how far. Daily time frame. So now this is they see how smooth the structure is on the daily time frame. Daily time frame, you can even see them smoothly.
Yeah.
You see that before this price started going down, it broke structure here. You see, you see the break of structure. After it
Mm-hmm.
got that all-time high, before it started going down, it broke structure here. And before we can actually confirm that we are actually going down, look at it. Price went and retested that structure. That guy that sponsored the structure break to the downside. You see that it's almost behave like currency. You see?
Yeah.
So after this guy went and traded inside this guy that caused the break of structure, what happened next? Structure
Came that again.
the structure also continue what? We want to continue that down. After this guy also broke structure, what happened? The guy that also caused the break of structure. So after
Reacted
this
and
guy also
continued.
traded inside this other block, what happened? It
Reacted and continued.
broke structure to the downside. So now what are we expecting? We are expecting what? The same thing to do what? To happen here. To do what?
Zero touch it
To continue what?
down.
To this price level. I'm not saying down forever. To this
Uh,
level. 40 something, 14, almost 50,000, 49,000 something. So if you want to sell crypto now, at least this is the right place to sell crypto from and put your stop loss above this guy and do what? Set crypto to 49,000 something before you think about what? Continuing up. You understand?
yeah.
So that is it. So now we have understand the flow of the daily time frame. Let me draw it. This is an internal liquidity. Price mitigated this guy, come down here, mitigated this guy, come down here, together this guy, so we're expecting what? Our down here. You see how smooth is it? Is there anything that is confusing here?
Not at all.
Just look at it. It is self-explanatory based on the structure that I thought. It is self-explanatory. So now let's go down to 4 hour. Let's go down to 4. Let's delete this. So let's say now price have traded. We can, if we want, let's say, let's refine this 4 hour. Let's say this is the major guy on the 4 hour level. We can take the whole stop loss. Depends on where you are buying the crypto from. Understand?
If you put that stop loss above, it will be very big.
It will be very big. So it depends on if you are buying it from Binance now. I don't even know how to trade crypto from Binance. That
Yeah,
time,
me.
now Luna they use now. Nobody
Yeah, Luno.
use that time.
Luno no dey work again. I dey work.
No, they work. Now Luna they use even now. No,
Serious.
and now Luna they use Binance. They buy and those that they use and they collect and payments. But I never
Mm.
use and trade anything before. I never use and buy crypto before.
If you trade crypto for a MetaTrader now,
Yes, no. I know, but I'm talking at that time. I never did conversation with MetaTrader.
yeah,
Now Luna.
yeah. I
Even
tell you,
Rock yourself. You know about Rock you now.
I don't know Rocky. Oh.
You will not say now where I learned this crypto from, but you be like say you know even the into men that time.
Mr. Time, I just say they
Are
give
you
money.
first me start now?
I know now.
No, no just say it yourself. I know you mean say you no just say they give money. Now that's why you know one put plenty money.
I dey tell you. Now this guy just dey take.
Like this say you know the trader. As me say the
Like this.
trader now up to now, but now if you don't become guru, not na
I,
pia
I, I
pia.
want learn forex.
No, I mean that time.
Okay, that time
I
almost.
mean that time.
I stop. Oh.
Now, even now, I know when to buy crypto and when not to buy crypto. But crypto is not my thing. Crypto now, something where you go persevere. Just the like investment.
Patience.
Mm. And when in the fall down like this, heat what gonna do you? Every
I dey tell you.
every time you gonna go check, every time you gonna go, every day you gonna go check and like say na one content. So now this is price I've traded into. This guy here is 4 hour refinement. But this guy here is the daily. You understand? You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Yeah? You understand?
yeah, I'm with you.
This is the daily zone. But this is the 4 hour refinement. So, and now price is currently inside the daily zone. So now we don't know if it will trade inside the 4 hour. If you also go down to 1 hour, you see that it will be very smaller. If you go down to 15 minutes, it will be very smaller. So, but now currently, this is the 4 hour, this is the 4 hour leg. This is the 4 hour leg now. No, wait. This is the 4 hour leg. So we don't know if it will continue up inside this 4 hour or it will come down. But if it reacted based on this daily, then we will expect this guy to break before we will talk about what? Engaging on a sell. You understand what I'm saying? Are you getting me?
Mm.
And you do not understand. I said,
Not really.
if we want to sell crypto now and we are waiting for a confirmation, if
Mm-hmm.
you want to sell aggressively, you can sell from here, but you must put your stop loss above this daily level, which will be maybe
Yeah,
bigger.
but it will be too much.
Yeah, bigger risk. But if you have bigger accounts, you can divide it now, it will be small. But for people that have smaller accounts, now you have to wait for
Mm.
somewhat a lower time frame confirmation to have a very smaller stop compared to what
That's okay. Yeah.
a
Yeah.
higher time frame. Now,
Mm.
that this is what the 4 hour guy, you understand?
Yeah.
Is what the daily guy. And price is currently inside the daily guy, but have not reached the 4 hour guy. So probably now price decided to work with the daily guy. This is what you expect because this is the last low that made this high.
Mm-hmm.
Am I correct? How is it the last low that made this guy the high? If you come from here, you see higher high, higher low,
Uh,
higher
uh,
higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You see it.
yeah.
So if price now decide to work with this daily time frame, we also expect this guy to be taken out. We expect this low to be taken out first. Then we wait for this guy here for price to come inside this guy for us to take our sell. Then now we will now have confidence to do what? To put our stop loss within this vicinity. In that,
Okay.
we will have a smaller stop loss.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, makes sense.
Anything that is confusing. Yeah.
Nah, I don't really get the concept.
But
You
nothing,
have to wait. You have to
anything,
wait for it to break a
if
a,
because
a
in
low or a
entering
high.
of a trade, we have aggressive entry and we have conservative entry. Have you heard about conservative entry and aggressive entry? Aggressive
Not
entry say that you can take it now that you have traded inside this daily range and put your stop loss here. But conservative entry said you have to wait for what? A confirmation that price really wants to come down. Which confirmation? You wait for price to trade below this current low.
yeah.
Because in that, price might also even come down here and do what? And respect this low and continue trading high inside that 4 hour.
Mm.
See? That time you might be in drawdown because you did
Makes
not enter based on confirmation. Now, if price might have entered inside that 4 hour, now that is when price might now do what? Start what? Coming down. You get it.
yeah. Makes sense.
So that is it. So let's go down to 1 hour.
This concept was for all pairs, man.
Hmm? Yeah, sometimes it's like, it's not 100%, all pairs have their own characteristics. You can never vow that all of them move 100% the same. You know that.
Yeah.
You cannot vow that all of them move the same.
But
No.
to an extent it does.
To an extent, yes. To an extent, it does. You can use the same idea, but there might be some differences, but you can actually
Mm.
use the same idea. Now, assuming that even people that are scalping Bitcoin, it is very simple. Bitcoin is very simple for you to scalp. You already know the market and price. You know the order flow now. Currently, that the order flow is what? If you look at it now,
Bull-
the order flow is
Bullish.
bullish. You understand?
Yeah.
The order flow is bullish. You can even see it. The order flow is bullish. What is wrong with you now? The order flow is bullish. You can see it's bullish. So now, maybe now on the 1 hour, on the 1 hour, on the 1 hour, you already understand structural order flow. Now you know that price has made a price. You already know the way price movement. So now, if you wanted to buy this crypto now, you know that this is the area you will be looking for buys. This is the area you'll be looking for buys. Know that this is the area you'll be looking for buys. This area, whenever crypto reaches this area, you'll be looking for buys. Whenever crypto reaches this area, it's not that it is hard. It's just that people have their own something that they are comfortable with. If you wanted to buy this crypto within these years or months or weeks, this is the
Mm.
area you should have been looking for buys. These areas and target
When,
the world.
when you see low,
Yeah.
you say when you see a low
Not
like
be when
that,
you see a low. Whenever it makes a new low, whenever it breaks a high, a new high, an old high,
and then
and makes a
low.
new low, and
Yes. So
retested that low, just like normal market structure.
mm.
Whenever it makes a high, whenever it makes a new low, retesting that old low, that is when you are looking for what? A buy.
But
Look at when you're looking
So
for.
far, it did not break that low, the
Yes,
previous
so
low.
far it did not break that previous low. And this is
Mm.
the thing that happens here. This is where you should have been looking for your buys. These areas that I put boss, this boss area, you look for your buys there. You look for your buys. It's not hard. It's
Yeah.
very simple. You look for your buys. Always pay attention. Pay attention
Makes
when an old high is
sense.
being taken. When this high, look at the high was taken. I've told you whenever a high is taken, there's a higher possibility that price will come down to that low that take out that high and do what? And retest it. So whenever price is there at that other block, that your other block is other block, that your POI, other block, POI, when there is demand, people buy. Abi? Other block, POI, demand levels. You understand?
Mm.
Whenever price
Yeah.
comes there, that's your what? Your buying level. You load your position and wait for what? And wait for price to reach what? Your external, your buy side liquidity. You take your profits. I also wait for what? Another opportunity. You can even start trading crypto. You can use you might be risking like $1,000, one thousand naira, I mean, or $1. Just
Mm.
experience. Now there's no way for you to buy crypto now until this guy,
It's come
yeah,
um,
and
and break that.
respect this
I
guy.
thought you touched
No,
that low.
and respect this low, not break it. If you break this
Yeah.
low, that means you will be waiting for this guy for you to sell from. You get it?
Yeah.
If you break this low, that means
That
the sell is no longer valid at the moment. At the moment, you understand me?
mm-hmm.
But if you respect this low, this is where you should be buying your crypto in the future. And what? And aim for this high. And aim for this high. You see? Is there anything difficult in this analysis? We will start afresh.
It makes sense.
Is there anything difficult? Just tell me, we'll start afresh. To me, it is very easy because it's been a long time that I've been learning. I even wish then that I had first, I had money, and second, I had someone to teach me. It was just recently that I started working that I was able to raise money to pay for mentorship.
Yeah.
Then I was just, can never tell you. So this is just it. It's not that hard. Understand? So let's go to other pair. Is there any other, do you have any question?
No, I like the concept. Now, before, yeah,
Mm.
I wasn't focusing like,
On the structure.
yeah, like normally I won't wait for it to like touch and retest a low before it goes back
Uh,
up you get.
you buy
Normally
from
once I
top.
normally once it touch the POI, I just enter
Once you touch where?
like the POI.
This is your POI now, your place of interest.
Yeah, like
Once you
once it,
touch here, you will do what?
I'll just enter the trade immediately
For
for the
buy
buy.
or for sell? For buy?
Let's say for instance, let's say for instance now, as it
Yes.
touch this POI for buy, yes,
Yes, now this is your area of buy. This is the area you're looking for a buy.
yes, like now, yeah.
Yeah.
If this buy happens now, as this buy happens,
Yes.
yeah,
This
you
one.
know,
This one, no.
yeah.
This one.
Yes, like now, as you see this now, this cell that is about, as I touch that POI up there,
This one.
immediately now enter cell.
You enter sell.
Mm,
It's not bad now. You understand? No,
yeah,
no, it's not bad because already, you know why this is called a place of interest, point of interest. This is where you have interest in buying, and this is where you have interest in what? In
and
selling.
sell it.
So if you say that you are entering buy here, you are not wrong. I didn't say you are wrong, you are not wrong. But where you are
Mm,
wrong is that when you are entering buy here, you cannot buy from this up. Because if you buy from this up, where will you put your stop loss? Yeah?
yeah,
Where that you put your stop loss. If you put your stop loss here and price will trace up, your money must have been wiped out now.
mm,
No, this is This is a place of interest. This is where you actually should be looking for buy. If you want to sell now, this is where you should have been looking for sell to come down here and buy and do what and go up. So you can only say that
But
maybe
but if it's you now, yeah. But if it's you now, yeah.
yes.
As the price has touched and it goes up, you wait for it now to touch, come back down and touch this POI, this POI. You normally you wait for it to come down and touch it.
If I want
Then
to
you now
buy,
enter your buy. Yes.
yes, of course, of course. I
But
will.
me now, I will not wait for it to come down. I'll just enter
Okay, you
for
just
this.
enter blindly.
Yes.
No, no,
That's what I'm trying to say. But you now, if it's you now, you have seen it that is going to come down. You know it will
yes,
come down.
yes,
Yes.
yes,
For here's your confirmation. But me
yes.
now, I will not wait for it to come down. Instead, I'll just enter.
You just enter buy from here.
No, no, no. I might just enter the cell. Sometimes it will not go. It will not go through.
Yeah.
Instead, it will just come down a bit and go back up.
Mm. No,
Yeah, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to
I
say.
understand. I
Yeah.
understand. But
But like your
if,
own now,
if
why like why your own makes more sense is that you normally as I've seen it now, you know that it will come down
yes,
to touch this
yes,
POI down here.
you are.
You
Yes,
wait for it. So
yes,
once you wait for it now, then you are certain that okay, as I touch your
yes,
POI, it
yes,
will surely go back up.
yes, yes.
That
Because
is your own
so it's up,
confirmation.
up. Yes, yes.
Exactly. But me now, instead of me to be patient enough to wait for it to come down and
Mm.
touch that POI, but me, I've seen that okay, it has touched my upper point of interest.
Uh,
Then I'll just enter for the sell. And that sell, if I enter for it, it will just move down few pips down and it will
yeah,
not go back.
and take you out.
Exactly.
Where they take am na from na MT4, I been na Luna, I believe.
MT5.
Okay, MT5.
Yeah.
In sales now, when even me now, ideally, I will not be looking for sales because I don't know where I should sell from. Here now, as far as I'm concerned, I'm only interested in buying because that is what I have more confidence. Buy, 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 buy. Whenever price is traced down here, buy. That's what I'm interested in. Because sell now will be more difficult for you. Because you don't know. Because look at now. Just like now, this is a break of structure to the upside. And now, what if you enter sell here? What if now you enter sell here and expect price to start from here, to start coming down? You see that price did
Mm,
not come down immediately. Price continue what?
yeah.
Going up. See,
Going up.
they have taken a loss.
Exactly.
So in this scenario, I'm not interested actually in selling because I don't have that backbone. I don't know. I don't have what would now ginger
Now
me to sell in
the,
this scenario.
the thing I need to learn that patience because now before this sell will come down to touch that POI, it
Yeah.
might take a while. You understand?
Yes, but ideally, let's we are on the shine land. Let's see. Yeah. How many? What? No, now. It doesn't take a while. Look at now. This is Look at it. This upside happened on Thursday.
Mm.
No, look at where days. It does highest 2 days. This is Wednesday.
That's that's what I'm saying. That means you won't trade. That's what I'm saying. That patience, that's his
So yeah,
problem.
you are telling me you cannot even wait for ordinary 1 day for your setup to happen. Ordinary 1 day or 2 day for your setup to happen. And you prefer to have and you know that whenever you have a loss on a trade, it affects your psychology.
Yeah.
You know that you should have experienced that one.
Yeah.
Whenever you have a loss, it affects your psychology. And it affects your psychology more when you try to recover that loss and you
Use
lost
again.
again.
Oh.
Your psychology will be very devastated. You understand? That day you might blow an account because you are trying to recover losses and you are losing, you are trying to recover. So
Telling bro.
there's no more than look at on Thursday, on Friday, on Friday,
Patience.
the thing, on Friday, the thing click. And you hold it from Friday, Sunday.
But another thing, yeah, it made me. Do
Yes.
you used to put like an alert? How do you used to know?
No, now,
You have to be watching.
no, wait now. If it is laptop alert, the day more higher than phone alert. Phone alert will
Okay.
just beep. If
Mm.
assuming you are on the transportation or you are somewhere, you might not see the beep.
But is it on your MetaTrader that you get the alert?
No, no, it's not my MetaTrader. It's on the
Trading view.
trading view. Yes.
Trading view, but I don't used to get a lot.
No, you can set alert now. No, it's not
Uh,
alert, alarm.
alarm.
Mm.
How can you set
Alarm.
this? Can you show me?
Look at it. Alarm. Look at alarm here. Okay, alert, alert. Look at alert.
Okay.
The alert.
Uh-huh.
You set your alert. You do not have any alert for Binance. You can set it. You see where you set alert.
Okay.
You can see create alert. You can see once, only once. Only once means whenever it crosses that area, it will beep.
Mm,
You can also set ringing tone. Then here, every time where he crosses that place, you go that ringing tone where you set go ring.
makes sense.
Like
Okay. Yeah.
if
Hmm.
it's loud enough, you go hear them. But phone, I don't think it's a phone. Phone oh no
Mm,
dey loud. Phone oh go just beep. Understand? That is
okay.
it.
Makes sense.
So all these things that you're telling me, you just highest 2 days. 2 days your entry go set for this crypto. All these
Yeah.
2 days.
Because sometimes like this, I know they look a lot, and when I come back,
Mm,
the thing don't pass. You don't
yeah.
understand.
And
I
you
go just
want
the
go cash am.
vex.
And you want go cash am
Exactly.
from
Then I'll go
that
enter.
place. That's
Guys, the
in
thing they
you
vex
have
me,
to be
guys.
disciplined. You have to be disciplined. When you
I'm
think
telling you.
about what you will lose when you are indisciplined, that will encourage you to be disciplined. You understand?
Yeah.
As a trader, you can stay for 1 week or 2 weeks without trading. You just in that you learn. Understand? With that patience, you will be able to do what? Build your morale strongly.
Mm,
Okay? So that is it. So in now you have to wait. You have to wait for this price to reach somewhere here before you think about what? Buying again. But in a situation whereby it take this thing out, know that for the meantime we will not be buying. We will also look for what? Sell down. See am. All this thing on your own, maybe whenever you are off, when you use your laptop, it's very simple. It's not that it's simple to you, but at least me looking at it, when you are looking at the other flow, when you are looking at the other flow, you understand? You wait for you to reach here before you buy. Wait for you to reach here before you buy. Now, so in that, you'll be getting your small, small money. My brother, small dollar where you get now, big money for Naira now. Naira no get one single value.
I will tell you, bro.
That is it. Hmm. So another one will back test. We have one less than 1 minute. Yeah, I want to take some break. When you dey go work?
I guys go prepare, sir. I dey go work around 5. I dey come out at 5.
Okay, now let's call it a day now. Maybe
I
next
go just go.
time. Next other we don't do UJ, do crypto. So
Yeah.
maybe next other time we'll do other bets. Now I will just be carrying you along on how to structure your trade and wait for it to what? Come
And,
down to
and
your area.
that patience that I need to build.
Yes, yes. That is that. You have to build that culture of patience.
Yeah.
In this trade, what pays
I'm
100% is
understanding
patience.
the whole concept, but
Yes. Now it's
that might
patience. Abi, is there any other thing that you have to learn?
no, basically is just that they have taught me the entry that I needed.
Yes,
Because normally, like I told you, if I miss a trade that I've been waiting for and
yes.
I see like it's moving, I'll just enter
That,
it together
that's
to catch.
FOMO. FOMO.
Mm.
FOMO. You have FOMO, fear of missing out.
Mm.
So you don't want to miss out on the trade. Even say they don't go far, you still enter.
I could.
Maybe
Mm.
the way they enter, now you want to do your own retracement.
I did tell you,
And as you
bro.
dey retrace now, you don't dey regret why you enter. You go if you
You
say,
get
okay, make I close and enter for the retracement. As you want enter for the retracement, okay, say, okay, this boy want try me.
yeah,
You go start to
this
dey go up.
trade, do it, bro.
So that's it. You have to now is for you to build your what? Patience.
Yeah.
So that is it. No, well, let's. I mean, so I want to go watch. I want go.